Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, guys! Papunta tayo ng Chinatown. We're on our way to Chinatown. It's the, according to recorded history, it's the oldest Chinatown, the first ever Chinatown. Established in 1594 by the Spanish colonizers of the Philippines. Apparently, source up there. Yeah, we're gonna find the best food spots here in Binondo. We're in Binondo, Manila. So we're gonna try the fried siopaw. 828 Ongpin Street. So it's like siopaw with, is it fried, Kuya?
Fried.
They're gonna fry it, so it's gonna have like a crunchy sort of texture. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna do a taste test ng fried siopaw. Ay, tingin. Ayun, okay. Tapos, dito yung fried.
Yung fried yung
Okay. Hindi yun yung papel.
Hindi. Tikman mo na.
Ang init. Ang init. Ang init. Taste test.
Ay, ikaw. Ati tayo. Later.
Wait, Delvin. Uwi tayo.
Masarap.
Yeah, it's really nice. Perfect balance ng dough tsaka ng palaman.
Nakalap ba sa'yo?
Nakarap sa'yo yan.
10 pesos.
Magkano siya?
160.
Hmm?
160 apple.
Uwi tayo. Delvin, hanap tayo.
Andiyan yung bibian niya.
Walang sauce to? May sauce to normally.
Kaya na siya. Kaya nga masarap kainin pag mainit. Pakang bulo.
Hindi, doon tayo.
7.4 out of 10.
Ay, gutom na.
Dito, ulo.
Meron pa. Ito pa.
Shanghai fried siopaw.
Prito natin bukas. Ay, ito na.
Ano? Ano yan?
Kikiam.
Kikiap. Oh, ang laki ah.
Tumbol. Honest review lahat.
Honest review mo naman.
Meron pa.
Wala ko rin eh.
Yeah, so that was fried siopaw. It was nice. A perfect balance of the dough, tsaka yung palaman, the filling. So it was nice and steamy, and I think yeah, I would definitely go back if I had a chance. It's a good snack. Yeah, 7.5. Did I say 7.5 or 7.4? 7.4. Yeah, along that range. So we'll see you on the next one. So I think we're gonna try the Binondo's oldest fast food, 1940, Chuan Ki. So we'll see how it is. Ang haba ng pila niya. I think that's the drawback if you leave early, if you leave late. So you tend to queue up more. Okay, we're here at Cafe Mezzanine sa Binondo. Sa taas lang nung oldest fast food sa Binondo. So I guess this is the second oldest fast food.
Fireman's Coffee Shop.
So the Fireman's Coffee Shop. We're just looking for our potential target before we order, before we get inside.
Ay, meron. Meron pa pang soup na sauce.
Okay, we got our braised beef with rice, tsaka yung fried chicken ni Zevi. So our braised beef with rice. Ano na ako
Ha?
Ano na ako?
Oo, sige na. Lalamig.
Ang gulo ng table dyan.
Yeah, it's really nice. Really tender, melts in your mouth. Tendon part. Medyo matamis yung sauce.
Ano to?
Sauce. Tamis.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Maybe 6.8 out of 10. Definitely something's missing. Siguro kulang sa anghang.
May sauce na lang eh.
Meron ba?
Ayun natin sa labas.
Sige. Ay! Nabigay.
Ako na. Ay, di ko na lang, no? Para aircon.
Box ba?
Thank you. Salamat.
Next po. So guys, nandito.
Yan siya. Kasi yun yung ano, yung babasa.
Lord's Stone.
So, nandito tayo sa history ng Lord's Toast Bakery.
Tapat mo.
Ay, Zevi, nalaglag yung kotse mo. Aray ko, aray ko. Ay, grabe. Ang laki ang laki ng pastel de nata nila. Pastel de nata.
Ah, yun yung tawag sa'yo.
Oo, sa mukbang natin. Pastel de nata.
Dessert.
Pastel de nata.
Sabay pa kami. Ay, puti. Heavy. Crispy.
One more. Bite mo.
Sarap ba? Perfect na with coffee talaga.
Hindi, sige. Sa kanila yung ano, yung crust. Ito laging huli yung gusto niya.
Yung pastry niya ano, so buttery, buttery tapos okay yung ano niya. Rating?
Parang yung croissant.
Hindi.
Hindi yung
Hindi, hindi.
Hindi ba na lang totoong croissant?
Croissant.
Buttery yun pero ibang ano, texture.
Rate mo.
So, Lord's Toast Bakery. Nasaan tayo? Binondo? 7.8 out of 10. 7.8 out of 10. Yeah, pastel de nata ng Lord's Toast Bakery. Thank you so much. So, sugarcane juice, we're gonna get one. We're gonna shove it in that machine there. It's like a juicer, or it is a juicer. especially for sugarcane.
Comment niya ako dyan. Pwede ko bang orderin si Rosan? Lalagay ko yung pangalan ko eh.
Ayun doon. So we're nakapatong natin doon sa may, ano yun, dito sa may security guard. Hindi pala. Hindi pala. Nabasa na. Mo. Sa sugarcane, sa may Ongpin 739.
Batch.
739.
Two out of 10.
Wow, it's very sweet. It's pure sugar. Well, it is pure sugar. It's sugar cane. I don't know. I don't think it's for me. I mean, it's nice. It's refreshing, but it's just too sweet. Magkano isa, te?
Ay, sa loob.
Magkano po yung kamote?
25.
25.
Bago kita. 25.
Yung banana cue din?
Parehas lang po.
Parehas lang.
25.
Tig isa?
Ano pa yung plastic?
Ay, yung banana cue pa plastic.
Pili ka na lang.
Ah,
Ayan.
ayan, okay.
Tapos yung kamatis mo.
Ito. Kainin ko na. Sige, salamat. Oh wow, ang sarap. So this is a sweet potato with sugar. It's like fried. Yeah, it's really nice. It's a good. I'd say a good. Banana Q is a solid 8.7 out of 10. Sarap.
Pwede.
Bilang mo, bilang mo.
Mamaya.